Hi all, happy to see you online today. Ahead in this video, 13 minus 8, which equals 5 times 13 minus 8, which equals 5. Now we have this problem, 5 times 5, which equals 25. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses 13 minus 8 5. So we have 13 minus 8 times 5. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 8 times 5, which equals 40. So we have 13 minus 40. So 13 minus 40, which equals minus 27. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like.